a wonderful night outside.
Nice. That sounds great. What did you eat?
Hmm. Pizza.
Pizza. Nice. Um, what kind of pizza?
Uh, we call it Four Seasons.
Quattro stagioni.
Yes. Wow. Oh my. Yes, Quattro Stagioni.
Yeah. Um, it's my like Spanish Italian. Um, cool.
Mhm.
And how was it? How was the pizza?
Yes, it was good. Yes.
Nice. Okay. And
Do you have the same pizza?
yeah, I mean, Italian pizzerias are pretty much everywhere, and so
Uh-huh.
yeah, yeah, we've got
Okay.
the same types. Delicious. Um, but okay, cool. And Arlit, welcome to class. Arlit, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks, teacher.
Okay, nice. Good to hear. Arlit, I don't think I've seen you in class before. Where are you from, Arlit?
I'm from Brazil. This is the first class with you.
Nice. Well, it's nice to meet you. One last question. How do you pronounce your name?
Arlete.
Arlete.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Nice to meet you. Javier,
Nice
welcome.
to meet you too.
Thanks. Javier, welcome to class. How's it going, Javier?
How are you, Joshua?
I'm doing well. Thanks. Is that Javier?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
I am.
And yeah, Javier, how have you been?
I've been good.
Okay,
Thank you
good.
for asking.
You're welcome. Diana, welcome to class. Diana, how are you?
Hi Joshua, I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Diana, I'm not sure
Yes.
if I've had you either. At least I don't recognize the picture. Have you been in my classes before, Diana?
Yes,
Okay.
many times.
Okay, perfect. Who's in the picture?
My cat, Junior.
Junior. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Well, welcome to class. It's nice to see you again.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry I didn't recognize you at first.
No problem.
And Leopoldo, welcome to class. Leopoldo, how are you?
Hey man,
Hey,
can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Sorry.
Nice. Okay, and so Leopoldo, I don't know if I've seen you in class either. Where are you from, Leopoldo?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Nice. And so good to meet you. David, welcome to class as well. David, how's it going?
Hi again, Joshua. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Um, all right, and so I think this is about good. We're full. Leopoldo, can you read the title and the next few lines?
The title?
Yeah, the
Okay.
title of the slide.
Okay, I'm sorry. English for weather. Is that it?
So the next lines below it.
Oh, okay. Today we will learn about different weather conditions, read about thunderstorms, learn weather idioms.
Yeah, idioms. Good pronunciation of idioms. That's a
Thank
tricky
you.
word. And Ruben, welcome to class. Ruben, how are you? All right, Ruben, are you there? All right, might be a
Maybe not.
second. Yeah. All right, Leopoldo, can you ask Javier the first question?
Javier. Okay. Okay. How many types of
Hello?
weather Okay. Can you hear me?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead,
Okay.
Leopoldo.
How many types of weather conditions can you name?
Well, I can name, can mention sunny weather, windy, uh, raining. What else? Cold weather.
Okay, perfect. Really good. Just to get warmed up. Javier, can you ask Julieta the next question?
Of course, sure. Do you have a favorite type of weather?
Yes, I like warm weather. I
Okay.
like warm weather. The best is from spring to summer.
Okay, nice. So right after winter. Okay, good. And let's have Javier. Can you repeat favorite? Favorite?
Favorite?
Close. It looks more like favorite. So
Favorite.
just try those two syllables. So I know you're pronouncing that O, and it's kind of like the word comfortable,
Okay.
which looks like comfortable, but it's just comfortable. And so the same thing with favorite. We'd say favorite. Can you repeat that, Javier?
Yes. Favorite.
Almost.
Favorite.
So just say favorite.
Favorite. Favorite.
Good. Favorite.
Favorite.
Good. There you go. And comfortable.
Comfortable.
Close. You're saying fort. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comf.
Comfort.
Nope. So try to get rid of that word. That doesn't even exist anymore.
Okay. Comfortable.
No. So that's still bit by bit. So this is 3 syllables. So we say comfortable. Nope.
Comfortable.
Close.
Very difficult.
Let's have Leopoldo. Can you repeat comfortable? Comfortable?
Who?
Leopoldo, can you repeat that?
Okay, you can call.
Wow.
Oh. Hi, Laura. I'm going to mute you just for a second. Okay, let's have Julieta. Can you repeat comfortable?
Comfortable.
Okay, this seems to be troublesome. Close. So,
Comfortable.
yeah, 3 syllables. Comfortable.
Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Yeah, I heard it from somebody.
No, it's me, Leo.
Okay, nice job, Leo. And Javier, can you repeat it one more time? See if you can get it.
Yes. Comfortable.
So that's
comfortable.
You're saying comfortable.
Okay.
That's what you're saying.
Yes.
We need to change that. So we just need to say 3 syllables. We need to say
comfortable.
Close. All right, it might be something to work on. So try making it 3 syllables instead of those 4 syllables.
Okay,
So
I have to work on it.
Yeah, same with favorite. It's just those 2 syllables. Favorite.
Favorite.
Good. Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Perfect. Julieta, can you ask Diana the next question?
Diana, do you have a least favorite type of weather?
Yes. I prefer, my favorite weather is a sunny weather. Is good for me.
This is good. Your question or your answer would go up here. My favorite type of weather is sunny weather. Do you have a least favorite?
Least.
So a type of weather that you dislike the most.
Dislike. Okay. Dislike. I don't like the cold weather.
Okay. Maybe
Yes,
we would remove the article. I don't like cold weather.
Okay, I don't like cold weather,
Good.
of course.
Yeah. Nice though. Really good job.
Yes, okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And so yeah, in English we often have this formation with least favorite. So your least favorite thing to eat, your least favorite place to go, least favorite vacation destination, just
Yes, yes,
the one that you
yes,
dislike the most. All right,
yes.
Deanna. Sorry. Deanna, can you ask David the next question?
Yes. What is the next what? Ah, the what is happening in this picture?
Yeah.
Yes, this picture is so scary. Is the in the picture is happening? I think there is a thunderstorm with some powerful thunders, and but this the weather is weird because there is in the background. In the background there is sunset. There is a sunset, but also there are like some black clouds. It's a mix, something of weather.
Yeah. A mix of weather. Good. And it is definitely a mix of weather. We would change this part. How would you change that?
There is a thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Okay, all the whole part.
Yeah. So we just say in the picture there's a thunderstorm.
In the picture there is yes. In the picture there is a thunderstorm.
Yeah. You could also say I think there is. And we wouldn't say that's thunder, that's lightning. So the thing that you can see, yeah.
And what is a thunder? So
So thunder is the noise,
thunder is the noise.
is
Okay,
the thing you
I
see.
think it's the thing to say.
Techno.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay.
But good. Other than that, you did a really nice job. Good answer.
Yes, thank
All
you
right.
so much.
You're welcome. Does anybody have any other questions here?
Mm,
No.
no, it's okay.
Okay. Let's go here and let's have uh, Arlete.
Hi,
Arlete, is that
teacher.
the pronunciation?
Okay.
Okay.
The
Can
first.
you? Yeah, just read the title and the directions for now.
Okay. Okay. Read the words and ask about any you don't know.
Good. And Arlete, can you read through these words too?
Okay. Thermometer, drizzle, downpour, hail, blizzard, freezing, warm, breeze, overcast, e foggy,
Good. Nice. Breezy, maybe. Can you repeat breezy?
breezy.
Good. Other than that, you sounded really good. That's great.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Does anybody have any questions on this page?
What means diesel?
Okay. We would say, what does drizzle mean? What does drizzle mean?
What does drizzle mean?
Good. And who can explain? What does drizzle mean? Does anyone know?
This is a sort of rain,
Yeah.
but very soft rain.
Okay.
Ooh. So Lord has a question in the chat box. What's the difference between weather and weather? So they're called homophones. So There is no difference. You have to be able to tell them apart from context. So I think there's a kind of like a rhyme in English that says whether the weather is fair or whether the weather is foul, we'll weather the weather whatever the weather, which is kind of funny. I think I've ruined it a little bit, but that's the big gist of it. All right, and any other questions about anything?
Yes, I don't know what is hail.
Hey, who can explain what hail is?
Hail?
Is- I think hail is like ice, a little part of ice. I don't know. It's particle, yes.
Yeah, fall from clouds?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Yeah, but that's exactly what it is. Does that make sense to everybody?
Mhm.
Okay. And any other questions?
Breezy is like windy, Joshua?
Yeah, breezy is a light wind generally.
Light wind. And okay, and windy is strong.
Yeah,
Or
so
Yeah.
normal.
windy is stronger than breezy.
Okay, breezy is just a little bit. Okay. And for example, the difference between, well, hot and warm. Hot is stronger also?
Yes, so warm is beneath hot.
Is what? Sorry?
So we have cold, cool, and then we have warm,
Sorry, a moment.
no worries, and then hot. So this is maybe freezing, and then boiling. So that's probably a good scale for you of like temperature words. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. I'm not sure who asked the question. Any other questions here on this page?
Yes, teacher. What's overcast?
Yes.
Who can explain what overcast means? Does anybody know?
Overcast is when the clouds are black and it is going seems like it's going to rain.
Yeah. Maybe not necessarily that it seems like it's going to rain. So it just means it's cloudy.
probability. Cloudy, you're right, cloudy.
Yeah.
Yes, breezy, freezing.
Okay.
No.
Any other questions?
Yes, downpour, please.
Okay. Does anybody know what downpour means?
Oh, is it the opposite of drizzle? Like drizzle, it's a soft rain, and downpour, it's heavy rain. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Heavy rain.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And any other questions?
No.
No, thank you.
Okay. Good. And let's go on to the next page. Let's skip that if we can. Okay. Let's try some practice. And let's start with Ruben. Ruben, can you try to read the title, the directions, and then do the first sentence?
Yes, practice. Fill in the sentences with the correct words. The sky is it's kind of too, I think. So that would be overcast.
Mm-hmm.
The sky is overcast, and it's kind of Isn't it the same foggy?
Yeah. So foggy's not the same.
No? Oh, yes. You're right. I think it might rain, but I can't be sure.
Good. All right. And so, yeah, what's foggy mean?
Foggy is when there is like a kind of cloud among the air. When it's a lot of, I don't know how to explain it, but
Yeah. When there's kind of like a cloud close to the earth or close to the ground.
hmm
Yeah. And so everything is white and you can't see anything. Yeah, that's when it's really foggy. Good. And I think we're on Leopoldo. Can you try the next sentence?
It wasn't a downpour. No,
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not good at that.
No,
It wasn't a downpour, but it was drizzle.
Close.
Enough.
We need to make this into the progressive. How to make
Okay, it was drizzling
hmm
enough to get me wet. I wish I brought an umbrella.
Nice. Good job. Really nicely done.
Thank you.
And let's go to the next one, Laura. Laura, welcome to class. I didn't see you sneak in. Laura, how are you doing? Laura, are you there?
Hello.
Hi, it's really difficult to hear you. I can hear a lot of background noise, but you're difficult to hear. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Laura, can you try the next sentence?
Repeat, please. Hmm. Freezing?
The freezing was the size of golf balls? So it's not freezing.
I don't know.
Okay. Can anybody help her out?
I
And
think it's hail.
the hail.
Yeah. And what's hail? Can somebody explain? What's hail?
When falls ice from the sky.
When falls ice from the sky. How would you correct that sentence?
Okay, when falls.
An ice fall.
Yeah. Good though. That's exactly right. It just mixed around a little bit. When ice falls from the sky.
Yeah, when falls ice. Oh, sorry, my Spanish.
That's
That
okay.
is in my head.
Yeah, that's like Portuguese.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
Don't be sorry at all. And Laura, can you read that sentence with the correction?
The height was the size of golf balls. My car is all dent.
Good. Hail. Can you repeat hail?
Hail.
Yeah, hail. The hail was the size of golf balls. Cars all dented. Nice. And what about the next one? Javier.
Is it's freezing out? If you don't have clothes, a hat, and a winter coat, you should stay inside.
Nice. Good job. And
Thanks.
Julieta, what about the next one?
I know it seems breezy, but it's warm enough for shorts and a t-shirt.
Very nicely done. That was a tricky one. Good job, Julieta. Okay, and does anybody have any questions on this page?
Joshua,
Yes.
I have a question. The last sentence, it's enough for shorts at a t-shirt.
Yeah. What don't you understand?
Shorts at.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, shorts and. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One of
Thank
these days. I think this is like the third class that I've not corrected that error in this slide. I'm
Yes, I
sorry.
thought it was expression, something like that.
Yeah. No, yeah, my fault. Any other questions?
Yes, I have one. I can use ing form with every words.
Most of them. So we wouldn't say it's overcasting, so you couldn't say overcast.
Mhm.
And fogging, we couldn't use either. Or breezy. Breezy wouldn't be a verb.
Blizzard, I think.
No, you could say it's like it's blizzarding out.
Oh.
Could work. It doesn't sound great. It's blizzarding out. But yeah, you could make it into a verb. ing. Yeah, you could do it. It's downpouring, it's drizzling, it's warming up. So when you use warm, it has to be like a phrasal verb, so warming up.
Mhm.
Global warming, so never mind. Ignore that. So it's a common phrasal verb, I guess. But good, really good question. Any other questions?
No.
Okay.
No.
Let's go back. Let's practice these common questions. Have you, Julieta, can you ask Diana the first question?
Diana, what's it like outside?
Diana, are you there?
She went outside.
It looks like it. David, can you answer?
What question, Joshua? The first one?
Yes, sir.
No, ya qué pena.
Like pretending or in the reality?
Either
Ay,
or?
sí sirvió, Ale, qué pena, Ale, gracias.
Who is talking? Okay, well, what is it like? Okay, I think so. I think outside, well, is here in Bogota is night. I think it's a little bit cold, like maybe less than 10 degrees. Well, it's going to be a peaceful night or something.
Okay. Good. Generally, we're just talking about the weather. So peaceful night.
Well, I mean, it's because in night when it's night you cannot say too much, no?
Yeah.
Because
No,
everything is black.
it's hard to tell. So it's a little bit cold, maybe less than 10 degrees. Yeah. Seems like it's not going to storm, so it's calm.
Yes, it's calm. The weather is calm, right?
Yeah.
And it's a little bit breezy. Yes, breezy.
Good. Nice. All right, David, can you ask Diana the next question?
Okay, Diana, how is the weather?
Okay. Please, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The weather right now is raining here in Bogota. It's a very cold night, so it's perfect to be in bed.
Nice, perfect. To be in bed. It's been a long time since I've had like a cold, rainy night. Um, okay, good though, Diana. Nice. Diana, can you ask Arlete the next question?
Lete, what's the weather like?
What's the weather like? Um, the weather is very very hot in Brazil in this moment. Um, mm, More or less 30 degrees in this moment.
Wow.
At
Hey.
this moment. Okay.
Yeah, at the moment sounds a little bit more natural in this moment. It's okay, but it sounds a little bit awkward. So we'd say at the moment, or you could
Okay.
even say right now.
Okay.
So the weather is very hot in Brazil in this moment. Yeah, again, in this
Yeah.
moment sounds a little bit odd, but
30 degrees Celsius degrees.
yeah, no, definitely, I figured. Okay, good. And Rete, can you ask Ruben the next question?
Ruben, what's the temperature?
Let me see. It's 22 degrees at the moment, and it's quite weird because it's been really cold these days. It's been really cold lately.
Nice. Okay. And that's Arlete. Can you repeat temperature? Temperature?
Temperature.
Yeah, good. Temperature.
Temperature.
Perfect. Really nicely done. Okay. Ruben, can you ask Leopoldo the next question?
Yes, Leopoldo, what's the weather forecast?
I don't have any idea. Yeah.
Can you make it up?
Okay. Well, it's summer. Probably it's gonna be like 30 degrees tomorrow, like today. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Is there any rain in the forecast?
I wish, but I don't think so.
Okay, but I don't think so. Okay, good. Really good answer. All right.
Okay.
Does anybody have any questions on this page?
No.
All right, nice. And
Okay, I have a question.
yeah.
When you ask how's the weather and what is the weather like, it's the same question?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Thank
the
you.
same too as what's it like out. So what's it like out? How's the weather? What's the weather like? Those are all the same questions. It's just different ways to ask it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Let's read forms, and let's start with Laura. Can you read the first half of this paragraph?
Thunderstorms result from the rapid upward movement of warm, moist air. They can occur inside warm, moist air masses and at fronts. As the warm, moist air moves upward, it cools, condenses, and forms clouds that can reach heights of over 20 km.
Cumulus. Okay. And so this is good. Can you repeat thunderstorms? Sorry, Laura, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you repeat thunderstorms?
Thunderstorms.
Yeah, thunderstorms.
Thunderstorm.
Good. Rapid. Rapid.
Rapid.
Good. Occur. Occur.
Occur.
Good. Air.
A.
Air. Yeah. And then cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus.
I don't see.
So it's right at the top of the page. Q.
U.
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 O.
Low. Nimbus.
Yeah. All together. Cumulonimbus.
U. Nimbus.
Yeah. Cumulonimbus. And then heights.
Nimbus.
Yeah. And then can you repeat heights? Heights.
Height.
Good. Okay. Javier, can you read the next bit of paragraph?
As the rising air reaches dew point, water droplets and ice form and being falling the long distance through the clouds toward the Earth's surface. As the droplets fall, they collide with other droplets and become larger. The falling droplets create a downdraft of cold air and moisture that spreads out on the Earth's surface, causing the strong winds commonly associated with thunderstorms and occasionally fog.
Good. Associated.
Associated.
Yeah. Associated.
Associated.
And can you repeat that word?
Comfortable.
There?
Comfortable.
Close. Not quite.
Okay.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
There you go. Nice.
Okay.
Perfect. One more time.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Yeah.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Good.
Comfortable.
Okay, good work. Awesome. That's great, Javier. Yeah, and nice pronunciation with everything else. Everything else. Julieta, can you read the next paragraph?
Yes. Thunderstorms and the phenomena that occur along with them pose great hazard to population and landscapes. Damage that results from thunderstorms is mainly inflicted by downburst winds, large hailstones, and flash flooding caused by heavy precipitation. Stronger thunderstorm cells are capable of producing tornadoes and waterspouts. A 1953 study found that the average thunderstorm over several hours expends enough energy to equal 50 A-bombs, of the type that was dropped on Hiroshima, Japan during World War II.
Good. Really good reading. Some small things that I saw occur.
Occur.
Good. Flooding.
Flooding.
Good. Capable.
Capable.
Good. Tornadoes.
Tornadoes.
Yeah. I'm not sure how to write that one. Average.
Average.
Close. That's another one with a silent part. So it's average.
Average.
Good. Average. Perfect. Does that make sense? Do you get all those? Okay. Who has any questions about this? Does anybody have any questions? This is a lot. Okay. Who can tell me what a tornado is? Maybe Diana, what's a tornado?
Oh my God, tornado is is when the wind turn in a circle way and moving from the sea to the earth to the land.
Not
With no,
quite. So
no,
definitely when the wind spins in a circle, not over the sea. So that's a hurricane.
or in the land, on the land, not necessarily in the sea.
Okay, yeah. So
it's
what's
it's a
the
very hard wind.
what's the difference between a hurricane and a tornado?
Tornado is moving on circle way on I don't know, in a, how can I say, non-circle
Like a spiral? You could say a tight spiral.
spiral. I don't know, spiral.
Spiral. But yeah, it's air moving in a tight circle.
Yes, very, very strong wind.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's okay. Okay, so it definitely is air moving in a tight circle, with a very strong wind.
Yes.
Okay, and what's a hurricane?
Hurricane is a very hard wind, very hard wind. Hurricane. Hurricane is from the sea, from the
Yeah. So it moves from the sea to land.
to the land. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
it's different. Yes.
Yeah. So it's strong wind. It also moves in a circle, but it's much bigger, with less intense winds. So a hurricane or a tornado has very fast winds. Tornadoes or hurricanes have fast winds, but not quite as fast as a tornado.
Yes.
Okay, good. What about precipitation? David, what's precipitation?
Okay, Joshua. Precipitation is a synonym of rain. Is when falls water from the sky, from the clouds. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a synonym for like rain, snow, hail, and I guess anything that falls from the sky. Yeah,
Dogs and
precipitation is
cats.
anything. Dogs and cats, yeah, would be a certain form of for precipitation.
Yeah,
Good.
sure.
Okay. Nice, perfect. And so if there are no other questions here, let's go on to the next page. And let's have David. Can you ask Arlete the first question?
Por Dios.
What type of... So, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What type of clouds cause thunderstorms?
I don't know, but I think the types of clouds cause a thunderstorm are the black clouds.
Yes. Good. Let's go back here. So it's in this first paragraph.
Cumulonimbus.
Thunderstorms result from the rapid upward movement of warm moist air.
Right here?
and forms cumulonimbus clouds.
Yeah. And the pronunciation is up here, so it starts with Q,
Q, mu,
low.
low nimbus
Yeah,
cloud.
perfect. One more time, cumulonimbus.
Cumulonimbus.
Okay.
Cumulonimbus.
Okay. Close. Q, mu.
Q,
Cumulonimbus.
Yeah, cumulonimbus. Good. It's a tricky one. So yeah, cumulonimbus.
okay.
Okay. And really good, Arlete. I don't know, but I think the type of clouds that cause thunderstorms are the black clouds or cumulonimbus clouds. Arlete, can you ask Ruben the next question?
Okay. Ruben, what kinds of things happen during thunderstorms?
I don't remember exactly, but it often rains. There are also lightnings. There are strong winds, and that's it, I think.
Nice. Good. Really nice. Does anybody else remember anything else that happens during thunderstorms?
Yes, the people scream.
Yeah. We wouldn't say the people, we'd just say people scream.
Oh yeah.
But good. Yeah, people scream for sure. All right, and anybody else? Anything else that happens during thunderstorms, or anything else that might happen?
Yes, because the light, because the sound, some alarm of cars turn on.
Yeah. So car alarms go off because of the sound. Yeah. So because of the noise of thunderstorms. I think what I was looking for here too was tornadoes and maybe water spouts, flooding. You could also say hailstones, things like that. But that was good. More than enough. All right, Ruben, can you ask Leopoldo the next question?
Yes. Some people are afraid of thunderstorms, and some people love them. What do you think about thunderstorms? Thunderstorms.
Well, I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
We wouldn't say
Thunderstorms? Okay, sorry. I like
You can say-
thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms, what's the pronoun that you could use to replace thunderstorms, which is plural?
Okay, I like them.
Good.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry.
Okay. Well, I think it's beautiful.
I think it's.
I like they are beautiful. It's very complicated, man. Thunderstorms. Okay, I got it. I got it. I think they are beautiful. And it's very common in Brazil. They are very common in Brazil. And I don't know if you know that, but a lot of people die in Brazil because of them. Because of not the thunderstorms, but because of the lightning.
Okay.
Okay.
A lot of people in Brazil die because of lightning. I did not know that. That's a strange fact.
Yeah.
Okay.
How can I say that? Like they are aimed by the lightning or targeted? No.
They're hit by lightning.
Oh, hit. Okay. Thank you. they're hit. Okay.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, that sounds really unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, really interesting. Okay, I didn't know that. Sorry, I was just trying to look it up, but good. And what about you, Laura? What do you feel about thunderstorms? Do you like them or dislike them? Maybe Javier, what do you think?
Well, I like the thunderstorm because I like to see how the lightning fall down to earth, and then hear the sound after the lightning. I like to hear the sound when it's at the distance, but when it's near of me, I don't like it so much.
Yeah, the thunder. So I like to hear thunder in the distance
In the distance, yes.
because when it's near me, I don't like it so much. Okay, really good. Nice answer. Any questions on this page? Does anybody have any last questions?
Okay. Can I ask something
Yeah.
to you? Okay. Can I say it's coming a thunderstorm, but not in plural? Like it's coming a thunderstorm?
Yeah.
Or I just can use this word in plural?
So I can say a thunderstorm is coming, and that would be good. So one specific thunderstorm.
Mm-hmm.
But if we're talking about thunderstorms in general,
Okay. Okay.
in general,
Okay.
are referring to in the plural. So yeah, what kinds of things happen during thunderstorms? Generally, I like thunderstorms, but there was one thunderstorm that I didn't like. Yeah, so it depends on what you're talking about. But
Okay.
good. Let's go in here and let's have Javier. Can you ask Julieta the last question?
Last question. Okay. Julieta, what months have the best weather in your country? The worst and explain.
For me, the best weather in my country is in August because it's summer and it's hot. The worst is in February because it's always cold and windy.
Okay. Does it snow where you are?
Now? No.
Okay.
Oh, yes, but yes, sometimes, yes.
Okay. Okay, good. And Julieta, can you ask Diana the question in the middle?
Diana, what type of extreme weather do you have in your country?
Here in Colombia, we have a downpour most of the year in the last times. So we have how can I say? We have inundation. I don't know.
Floods.
It's good word? No.
Floods is a little bit more common than inundations, but inundations
Mm.
is a good word in English.
In English is okay.
Yeah.
So it's difficult in most of the year. The downpour is difficult.
Okay. You have downpours most of the year. I'm not sure what you mean by in
Yes.
the last times. What do you mean by that?
In the last okay, in the last years.
Ah, okay.
Last years I don't.
For the past few years.
Okay, yes. For the past few years, yes.
In this case, we would say we have had. So present perfect.
Okay, yes. Present perfect, yes. We
So
have had.
because it's for the past few years. But good.
Yes. Mhm.
And do remember, inundations is a good word.
Yes,
It's more common to say floods if we're talking about.
Okay, floods. Yes, yes.
Yeah. But inundations works. Usually, if we're going to be using inundations, we'd use it to talk about something else. So you could say of like an inundation of mail, and
Okay.
you know, it technically means flood, so it's kind of silly to make the distinction. You can use it for flood, just rare. So be aware. But
Okay.
really, awesome job, everybody. We are just out of time. Thanks for coming into class. It was nice having you guys all.
Okay, Joshua. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Joshua.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
See you, Joshua.
Bye.
Okay, man. Bye.